Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to test for chlorophyll in a leaf. Gather a fresh leaf, rubbing alcohol, a mortar and pestle, clear glass vials, filter paper, and a heat source. Chop or grind the leaf to release pigments, then place the material into alcohol to extract chlorophyll. Heat gently to speed extraction, avoiding open flames. I will guide you through timing, expected colors, and how to interpret results step by step. Let's begin. Warm up your workspace and assemble supplies for extraction. Place chopped leaf tissue into a mortar or small jar with rubbing alcohol and grind until the liquid shows green color. Transfer the liquid to a clean vial through filter paper to remove solids. Gently warm the vial in a water bath for a few minutes, watching carefully to avoid overheating. Cool briefly before the next separation step and keep a record of timing and observations. Quick recommendation and a small request. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. On another note, I recently enjoyed a book that can change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it made me laugh about choices and priorities while I cleaned up lab gear. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your extract is clear of solid bits, set up a separation using filter paper or a chromatography strip. Place a small spot of the extract near the base, then suspend the paper so the solvent can climb and carry pigments with it. Watch as green chlorophyll separates from yellow or orange carotenoids, noting band order and distance traveled. Take photos or draw the pattern for later analysis and compare results between different leaf types if desired.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.